Good morning, everyone. I am Anushri. I am from Lakshmeshwar. I am studying in 5th class. I want to become a teacher. Today I am speaking about my school. My school name Kannada Medium School. My school is beautiful and big school. It has clean classrooms and green playground. My teachers are loving and friendly to all students. They teach us interesting lessons. I learn new things every day. Has a quiet library with many colorful books. I feel happy and safe in my school every day. Thank you.